O-level, and despite not having the
wow, that's interesting.
Latin.
That was a real stroke of luck.
But I think also my performance at Cambridge was very good. I think I stood first in the entire Cambridge examination, and that's probably.
And then you went to the UK.
That's when I went to the UK.
And you came back?
Yeah, I went in 1956.
Yeah.
I completed my law within 3 years because of financial problems. I could not waste time. So I took the first available examination, passed it, fortunately. And I came back.
Which university you qualified?
At Lincoln's Inn. Just Lincoln's Inn, and,
wow.
And their own exams, which they call the Council of Legal Education. So I came back in 1959. 1959, June, I was called to the bar. Just about 2 weeks later, I came back to Nairobi.
So what was the legal scene here in Kenya on the onset of independence?
We were not independent yet in 1959.
Right.
Yeah. And
yes,
all
from 59 to 63 and then thereafter.
Thereafter. So in 59 when I came, I had to do pupillage for 1 year. And all the major law firms were European. And it was their stated policy that they would not take an Indian or an African, not even as a pupil. I applied to all wrote back to say, sorry, as an Indian we cannot accept you because it is restricted only to Europeans. So I applied to the State Law Office, what used to be called the Crown Law Office at the time. And I was called for an interview to see the Attorney General. I had a small little Fiat. I went there to what is now still the Sharia House. I saw a parking which was empty and I parked my car there. And as I still had time before the interview, about half an hour or so I went to a nearby coffee place. When I came back from coffee, I found that my car was surrounded by police. There were quite a few people there. And when I went there, they said, why did I park my car there? So I said, why shouldn't I? I saw a parking place and I parked my car. I said, no, that is reserved for the Attorney General.
Okay.
And a European chap came out and he started really shouting at me, screaming. So I couldn't take it. So I said to him, you say it is reserved for the Attorney General. I could not read it. It doesn't say so because I didn't park it intentionally, knowing that it was reserved.